Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Merliah from Barbie and a mermaid tale in Trust and Press. Okay guys, this is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this mermaid tail, but if you're in the special round, you will automatically get this mermaid tail, and I'm going to show you the color. Okay, you can color it like this for the selection. All right, this is for the color code, and then you're going to get this item as well and make it this color. Okay, and for the hairstyle, you can choose this one, make it pink, and then combine it with this bangs, make it this color. Okay, and then this hairstyle, make it this color, and then you're going to put on this crown and select toggle 2 and make it this color, and this top, make it this color, and change the material to glitter and put on this necklace, make it this color, and this item. And the next one, this top, make it this pink color and make it glitter. And then you're going to put on this skirt and make it like this. Then change the material to glitter, and you're going to put on this skirt, make it this pink color, make it glitter, and this dress, make it skirt only. And for the color, you're going to make it like this, and then again make it glitter. Basically, we're going to change all the material to glitter to make it more captivating. Okay, and this is for the final look. After you choose all the items I have shown to you, you will get this look, and I hope it will help you win in the special mermaid round. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.